Hello, and welcome to UHN. I'm Dr. Amanda Berry, the lead of research training programs in the Office of Research Trainees, or ORT. On behalf of our director, Dr. Linda Penn, and our coordinator, Dr. Claire Wall, I want to sincerely welcome you to UHN and to the ORT community. We look forward to working with you over your time at UHN. You can connect with us at any point in time via our website, email, or Twitter, which are listed on the bottom of every slide. The ORT provides leadership and support to all trainees that are performing research at UHN. And this includes graduate students, postdoctoral fellows, undergraduate students, and more. Now, the ORT is a centralized contact for all matters relating to trainees. Our goal is to help you to succeed in your research, whether that be by helping you to find information about policies or about equipment that you need for your research, or by building workshops to help you build the research and professional skills that you need. We provide a safe space for you to come to with any of your questions and your concerns. We're in your corner, so please feel free to reach out to us at any point in time if you have questions or concerns during your time at UHN. We promise to do the best we can to help you. We also strive to keep you informed about everything happening at UHN. We send out weekly update emails that have lots of information about the events that we're planning, workshops and things, as well as events going on that we think that you might be interested in. It also includes information about funding opportunities and job opportunities and much, much more. We also love celebrating your achievements. So if you've recently had a paper published or have won an award, please email us and let us know so that we can include it in the next update email. And this will give it a chance for all of UHN research to celebrate with you. We also have a fantastic website, uhntrainees.ca, which has a wealth of resources. Please check it out so that you can learn more about the services and workshops available to you. The ORT also provides workshops throughout the entire year to help you build the skills to achieve your research and career goals. We run workshops to help you build skills in things like programming, as well as a series of peer-to-peer workshops where trainees can help each other to build technical and research skills. We also run a conference grant 3 times a year, which can help trainees to attend national and international conferences. The ORT also loves running workshops to help you to explore your career possibilities after you leave UHN, as well as helping you to build the skills and network you need to navigate that transition. In order to access our weekly update emails, our services, and workshops, we please ask you to register with the ORT using the link on this slide. This will take only a couple of minutes and it is required for all research trainees. We look forward to connecting with you soon. Thanks.